Hey there YouTube. I'm doing a video review on this playset that I got a year ago. It's held up pretty good. This swing obviously doesn't come with it, but I did just attach it to the spot where the green swingy bar thing goes. My son's not old enough to use that, so I don't have a need for it. The swings here hold an adult's weight well. Two adults can swing on this moderately high, but I wouldn't recommend it. It does say on the sign that it's only intended for use by children ages 3 to 11. I got the slide on some sandbags because the angle, if you put it level with the actual play structure, is a little steep. So I raised it up a little bit to kind of slow down the kid. It's literally only held on with a few screws at the top. There's nothing supporting it underneath. So this slide is not meant for adults. It actually flexes a little bit if you put your weight down on it. It's got the climbing thing. It's got the tic-tac-toe. Got the rope for the climbing thing. In the back it has a little staircase. This barely holds an adult. It's got a little telescope, and the telescope has a nice little compass. I don't know if it actually works or not. This is not watertight. There's some fungus growing in there, or some mold. And you can't even see through it anymore. So it's more for looks than use. It came with the yellow flags down there, but I've replaced them with American flags because those flags didn't flap very good. And again, do not slide down this slide as an adult. You will break it in half. I had to bail out when I started sliding down it. So the boards are strong enough to hold an adult, but they do have some flex in them. You can feel it. It's got a little steering wheel thing. Here's the top view. Got a nice little ledge in there. You can set stuff on. It's kind of cool. I actually made the bottom area into a sandbox, and that worked pretty good. Over here you got like a little bar area. Okay, it was originally cozy coop parking, but water and snow just got through these slats, and it wasn't a very good garage. It attaches to the main building there with metal brackets. And here's the bracket for the swing posts. It's made out of metal, pretty heavy duty. So when they install it, at least my installer put these straps on, like an auger that went down into the ground, and then these strap onto the beam to keep it from tipping. Here's the warning on the side. Okay, so I paid $1,400 for this, plus tax for the installation, delivery, etc., all included. It is looking a little worn after 1 year, but I think it's going to be just fine. If you have any questions, post them in the comments, and thanks for watching.